Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing hardware and app access so setup goes smoothly. Plug the main M4 into power and use an Ethernet cable from your modem to the M4's WAN port. This gives the mesh its internet source. Once the LEDs show a stable power link, open the TP-Link Tether app, sign in, and choose Add Device. Make sure Wi-Fi on your phone is enabled so the app can discover the M4. This initial connection is what allows configuration to be pushed to the hardware. Once done with the main node, you configure the wireless network name and security so devices will connect uniformly across the mesh. In the app, set an SSID and a strong password, and review band selection if available. Then power up a satellite and place it roughly 1 to 2 rooms from the main node to ensure a good backhaul signal. The app will detect it. Use Add Satellite in the Tether app, confirm the mesh name, and allow the app to push settings so the satellite seamlessly joins the network. To finish, test connectivity and optimize placement so you get full coverage. You should run a speed test from the app or a phone in multiple rooms. If speeds drop sharply, move the satellite closer to the main node and avoid thick walls. Once coverage is satisfactory, save settings and check for firmware updates in the app to improve stability. If a satellite fails to pair, perform a 10-second reset and re-add it in the app. This clears corrupted states and usually resolves stubborn pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.